Hi, we are in Muzaffarnagar today. We are in Dwarka city. It's a residential sanctioned area in Muzaffarnagar where we are doing three projects already. But this project we are about to finish in a couple of months. And this is the contemporary facade of the building. So, which we have created in a way where the clients get a lot of privacy and also gets a lot of ventilation and light. So, even the lobby being a two-side dead property, also we have tried to create ventilation from the center of the house. So when we walk in, I'll show you the rest of the details. So as we walk inside, there's a northeast entry that we have created according to Vastu, and once we come inside on the right side, we have created an open exterior sitting area where the exterior furniture can be set up, and they have a small kind of a cozy sitting here with a good background wall, and we are creating a small water body also here which will enhance the entrance of the building. So once we enter, this is the drawing room come lobby area where a partition is going to be coming up here. So this creates a drawing room and a formal living. Once there's someone here sitting, then they can separate it out from the main house. So a sliding door is going to be coming up here. So once you move ahead, this is a dining space that we have created, a double height space where we have taken a skylight on top. So if you can see, there is not a single light that is open, and windows are still covered. We are getting ample amount of light inside the lobby. And we are getting this such a good vibe in the house. Natural light coming in. The double height feature also adds a lot of the expanse to the building. So because once you enter, and the double height feature gives a large feel of largeness. That is what we want to give with the skylight and the double height coming in. This is the puja. So see this wonderful designer wall that we have created with the Ganesha statue in the back, and this purely done on a 50 stone and it's been engraved by a CNC machine, and rest of the finishing has been done at site by hand by the masons that were bought from Jaipur and were executed. Everything was executed at site. So for this kind of a work that needs to be done, so a lot of brainstorming is required, because we had to especially go to Jaipur, bring a 50 stone, then send it to the CNC machine where we give them an AutoCAD drawing, in particular detailing of every spacing of the material. Every design has to be given it on drawing on scale, so that the design that we have envisioned comes out correctly. So we sit down with the craftsmen and masons from Jaipur. We brainstorm what vision we are expecting gets done, and we use their expertise, mix our vision with it. They are clubbed together. It is when we come out and create such a kind of a feature inside the house. Now let's go to the kitchen. So this is the dry kitchen. If you see, this kitchen is connected from the kitchen to the dining to the lobby. So this kitchen has to always be spick and span, and everyday cooking doesn't really allow that, or you have to be on your toes to keep the kitchen clean. So this kitchen is for small cooking, so everyday cooking. They want to make some cup of tea and have it here in the breakfast counter, they can do that. But for the main cooking of the house, for the big lunches and dinners, it is the wet kitchen that we have created inside. So let's go inside. This is a full-fledged kitchen which have proper cooktops, utility spaces, utensil spaces. This is the kitchen that is being used, and that is connected to the main kitchen and to the lobby, and is also not directly visible from the lobby. So it can be a little dirty, and will still be alright for the to manage. Let me take you to the parents' room. So we've intentionally kept the parents' room on the ground floor, so that after aging they do not want to go anywhere else apart from their room. Also, being on the ground floor, they're already connected with everyone, like their parents, their children coming in, so that everyone can easily walk out and be amongst the family, so that they're always mixed inside. Secondly, since they cannot move out much, we have tried to create a small sit-out area for them on the rear. So if you can see, a lot of light and a breeze, small fresh breeze. If they want to just sit out here in their privacy, they can come out here, sit down for a while, and then enjoy the rest of the day. Let's see guest room now we're going to. So a very practical guest room with the wardrobes inside the room itself, and the attached washroom where we have done this pretty nice TV panel with storage, and this is the back wooden bed paneling that we have created within MDF moldings, where we will be painting them very soon. Now we go upstairs. This is the lift area. Now we take the stairs and go up. The first floor is the master floor area where he himself and his children are going to be staying. So this is kind of spaces that we create. So just small niche that we are getting inside the plan. this is where we have inculcated all the electricals of the floor, so it becomes very accessible. It's just in a corner and very easily to be managed. So now this is the lobby that we have come here. So glass railing will come here. Now let me take you to the daughter's room first. This is daughter's room with an attached balcony in front and a good window size. So it's going to be really well ventilated, and she's going to be go outside and also enjoy the balcony as well. This is the big dresser that we have created. Once we go inside from the room to the dresser and we enter into the washroom. So that is the kind of space that we have created. Very practical and easy to use. Right next to the daughter's room is the multimedia room. So we've done an interesting ceiling here. So we've done all the audio arrangements, speaker, amplifier systems have already pre-decided, and we have done all the arrangements for that. We have done a designer ceiling here and done a good paneling here, so that the room is comes out very nice. This room is attached to a balcony as well. The corner window that we have installed here, this can open and you can just walk out into a small veranda. This small veranda is kind of a semi-private sitting, very ventilated, and there's a good expanse, so good number of people can have a gathering here. So buffet can be laid here and you can enjoy the multimedia room as well. So with the kind of screens that are installed at the end of the house, they create a sense of privacy and also give you a lot of ventilation. Also, we have tried to create a lot of bring a lot of light inside the veranda from the skylights, which you can see above. Now there's a small storage space that we have created. This storage space is very practical, full height, so that there's a lot of stuff, clothes and many other things that you want to keep inside the house. So this is the place where everything comes in and you can store easily. These are good sliding almirahs. These are currently locked. So there's good amount of storage that you get for the house. Now we go into the master bedroom. Once we go into the lobby, see if you can see the good amount of light that's coming in the house. It's no single light is on currently, and still we are getting such a good lighting here. Now this is the master bedroom. All sitting, all facing, all head positions, bed positions are absolutely according to Vastu here. And we have tried to create a good ventilated space with bigger windows, and there's a good balcony that we create here, that you can just come out, have a sip of coffee here, sit down and enjoy this green area that we have got in the surroundings. This is the attached dress that we have here. This is the complete bottom to ceiling almirah with a long length mirror coming here and a small dresser so that someone can sit and also get dressed well. So if you notice also, all our washrooms, all our dresses are all air conditioned, so that once you come out from the room to the washroom, you don't feel that change of temperatures, especially in the summers or in the winters where it is too cold inside or it's too hot inside and you start sweating after you got dressed. Master washroom, we got good drainage, so we usually now tend to keep good channel drainage so that it looks very aesthetically pleasing. And we have used the white theme so that we bring a lot of light to the washroom. So we tend to keep good window sizes in the washroom also, if we are able to, because then with the natural light coming inside the washroom as well, it brings a whole together a good feeling in the washroom. Let's go to the son's room now. After the master room is the attached son's bedroom. So there's a small puja that recently happened, so we're gonna maintain privacy, and we'll go show you this next time once we finish it up. So there's a small pantry that we have created. So for small things, you don't need to always go down to the main kitchen and get stuff. So you have good RO here, a small fridge, small cutlery if you want to heat something up. So everything is available. Like they have small kids also later on in life, so they have everything accessible here. So they don't every time have to go down and get everything from the main kitchen. That is the USP of having a pantry on each floor. So I showed you a connected terrace from the multimedia room, which can be used for a small party area. So this pantry also serves as a place where you can serve everything from here. So with this pantry is the attached same veranda which connects to this multimedia room. So anything that we have cooked here or warmed up can go straight from here and get it served there. So this becomes a very useful feature in terms of partying, or if someone is even having a cup of tea, so he can just take it from here itself. Let's go to terrace now. So let's take the stairs. So once we walk, so on this wall we have created handmade tiles here. They are handmade natural tiles that give the feeling of natural feeling, and got small pores. So this is very comes out very nice and very easy for us to maintain as well. So these are good different features that we create on the staircase wall. So this is a small toilet that we have created like a powder room for the guests on the first floor can use this as a powder room itself. It's right above the panel area that we had created. So this is the terrace area. It's a small store that we have created in a laundry space where the clothes can get washed up and they can go out to the terrace to get dried up. So the small laundry that we have created with an attached store. So any linen that has to be kept here can be kept here. And if you see all the spaces, all ventilated spaces are very easily ventilated, and they're not dark spaces. So these windows being openable is very important part of the house. Now we enter into the terrace area. This is a big terrace that we are getting here. So it's a lot of fun today. So we tend to keep our services open. Someone they might feel very weird and why this pipe is running in the exterior, but we tend to keep all our services right in the open wherever we can do that. Planned in a way that does not look bad to the eye. So all this is the skylight area that we are getting. All these pipings, if you see, are going in an open area. So if they need to be serviced, anything new has to be created, you don't have to dig up the floor. You can just use these pipes, repair, maintain, or add to anything, and then use these services. So small technical thing due to the skylights is we cast a reverse beam here which protrudes upwards from the slab towards the terrace so that it blocks any water that can go inside the skylight area, which is very important for us. So this, if you see this good expanse area, whenever there is a rainfall, good monsoon rainfall that's happening, and you can see it right from your lobby and dining space, it will bring you so much joy to see the raindrops falling on the glass. So that's us from Muzaffarnagar today. We are Panjwani Architects. We do houses, we do commercials, we do hotels, hospitality. It's been almost 45 years. Our family is into the same business, and we are delivering each project with proper expertise and all the things that clients expect from us. We go into the shoes of the client, design and put it to the correct use.